So later.
Yeah, wait for Aurora. The next one.
Wait for Aurora. You just for Aurora. Ay, lagay mo muna dito yung, hawakan mo muna yung kay Aurora. Bibigay mo mamaya pag nandito. Okay, she will give later when Aurora sings.
Who's next? Who want to be next? That's why I skip one person.
Okay, skip. Then I will just pick. This one is for, whose skip is this, guys?
This one for, I'm the representative.
Ay, Catherine.
Secret Santa for Ate Jenny.
Wow, Jenny! Your secret Santa is?
iPhone yan, iPhone.
Catherine! Your secret Santa is Catherine.
iPhone 17. Oh, picture again. Oh, representative.
Yeah, iPhone 17 Pro Max. Wow! Wow, congratulations! Very good. Jenny, you pick your gift and then who is your secret Santa for this?
Wow! Ano yan?
Wow, Victoria's Secret, guys!
Wow,
Who is the lucky one? Victoria's Secret!
Sa'yo din mo kami.
Wow, Logan! Where is Logan? So maybe request Myra to be the representative of Logan? So yung give me Logan. Logan. Okay, you give Logan's gift, then you give to who?
The Secret Santa.
Catherine.
So many pictures.
That's my secret and what's and then
Why can't you see the Secret Santa mo? Ay.
Picture na naman na
Kasi
daw.
yung ano ni
Binigay mo na Ate Jenny.
Nakakuha ka na sa ano sa exposure
Yeah.
Next one, Lily. Next one, Lily.
Okay, next. Whose gift is this, guys? Okay. Dalawa yan. Oh my God. Is that iPad Pro and 17 Pro Max.
Ang ganda.
Okay.
Yes, very good.
Oh, Cecilia, you're the
Okay, then. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, Ate Cecilia, can you please take your please? And I was so lucky. How I wish where's my gift, guys?
From Alian Rice and US. Wow! Wow! Secret Santa is Kuya Sala.